I'm Dr. Horace Douty, and each week I like to give a local nature lesson. I live and am stationed near Lexington, Virginia, and today I want to talk about the frost aster. The frost aster is here in early October, is beginning to bloom profusely, and you can see that part of the some of the flowers are white, some are pink. No, that's not pink, light blue, and they can come in pink. The frost aster only grows about 2 to 3 feet tall, but when you see one, you're probably going to see 1,000, and they can just coat the side of a stream or a hill with their beauty. When you take a very, very close look at the frost aster, it is a beautifully fashioned blossom, very precise. Everything about it just perfect. I know of no practical uses for frost aster. They're not edible, but they are beautiful and they will grow anywhere, especially in this part of the world. So when you are longing for cold weather blossoms, frost aster is your choice. That is your lesson for today. Frost aster, sometimes called Benjamin bush.